Did you know that a single viral video on YouTube can generate up to $1 million in revenue? Yes, you heard that right. A single, well-executed viral video can bring in a massive amount of money, and not just from ad revenue. The power of viral videos lies in their ability to reach millions or even billions of viewers in a very short time. This is a feat that no traditional media outlet can match. They are the digital equivalent of word-of-mouth marketing, spreading like wildfire across the globe. Viral videos are more than just entertainment. They are a powerful tool that can bring fame, fortune, and incredible opportunities. Consider the example of the viral video, "Charlie Bit My Finger." This innocent home video was initially just a way for a family in England to share a cute moment with their relatives in America. However, it quickly caught the public's attention and became an internet sensation, gaining over 800 million views. The family reportedly earned more than $500,000 from ad revenue alone, not to mention the additional income from merchandise and licensing deals. Or take the case of Gangnam Style, the music video by South Korean artist Psy. This video broke all records, becoming the first YouTube video to reach 1 billion views. Psy reportedly earned around $8 million from the single video through ad revenue, iTunes downloads, and streaming. These are just two examples among countless others. Viral videos have the potential to change lives overnight. They can turn ordinary people into celebrities, struggling artists into stars, and small businesses into international brands. However, creating a viral video is not just a matter of luck. It requires a good understanding of what appeals to the audience, how to create engaging content, and how to promote it effectively. Now that you know how lucrative viral videos can be, let's delve into the steps to create one. Stay tuned, because the journey to your viral video starts right here. Creating a viral video starts with a unique and engaging idea. It's the spark that sets the stage for the wildfire of virality. In a sea of content, what makes a video stand out? Originality. It's the magic ingredient that hooks viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Originality is not just about being different, it's about bringing a fresh perspective to the table. It's about challenging the status quo and breaking the mold. It's about daring to be different and not being afraid to take risks. Remember, the most successful viral videos are often those that push boundaries, challenge norms, and dare to be different. So, how do you brainstorm for original ideas? One good starting point is to look at trending topics. These are the subjects that people are currently talking about, the hot topics that are capturing the world's attention. But don't just regurgitate what everyone else is saying. Instead, put your own unique spin on it. Add your own voice, your own perspective. Make it uniquely yours. Understanding what your audience likes is another key to brainstorming. What are their interests, their passions, their concerns? What makes them laugh? What makes them cry? What makes them think? By understanding your audience, you can create content that resonates with them on a deeper level. Incorporating a unique spin on popular themes is another way to create a standout idea. This could be a twist on a popular meme, a fresh take on a trending challenge, or a new angle on a well-known story. The key is to make it different, make it intriguing, make it something that people can't help but share. But remember, while trends and popular themes can give you a head start, they are not the be-all and end-all. The most important thing is to stay true to your own voice, your own style, your own vision. That's what will truly set your content apart. With a unique idea in hand, it's time to move on to the next step, creating the content. The content of your video is the heart of your viral potential. Now let's dive into the meat and potatoes of creating a viral video. You see, the quality of your content is the lifeblood of your video's viral potential. It's the glue that holds the viewer's attention, the spark that ignites the share button, and the motivating force behind the like, subscribe, and comment actions. Creating engaging content is a dance, a delicate balance between keeping it short and sweet, yet packed with value. In our fast-paced world where attention spans are shorter than ever, you've got to get to the point, and fast. A punchy, concise video is more likely to be watched, shared, and liked. Aim for that sweet spot where brevity meets value. But what's a viral video without that shareable factor? It's like a party with no guests. Your video needs to be something that viewers would want to share with their friends, family, or colleagues. It could be a hilarious prank, a heartwarming story, or a jaw-dropping stunt. The key is to create content that resonates and connects with your viewers on a deep emotional level. Humor, emotion, surprise. These are the secret ingredients to a viral video recipe. A good laugh, a heartfelt tear, or a gasp of surprise can create a lasting impression, compelling viewers to share your content. So don't be afraid to be funny, to be emotive, to be surprising. Be bold, be daring, be you. Lastly, remember to include a call to action. Invite your viewers to like, subscribe, and share your video. This is your chance to connect with your audience, to build a community around your content. A strong call to action can be the cherry on top of your viral video sundae. Once you have your content ready, the next step is to optimize it for YouTube. But that's a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of YouTube optimization. YouTube is more than just a video platform, it's a search engine. Remember, every time you upload a video, you're competing with millions of other creators who are vying for the same eyeballs. To stand out from the pack, optimizing your video is crucial. Let's start with keywords. Keywords are the phrases that users type into the search bar when they're looking for videos like yours. Include these in your title, description, and tags. For example, if you're making a cooking tutorial, you might use keywords like easy dinner recipes or quick pasta dishes. Next up, your title. It should be engaging, yes, but it also needs to accurately represent what your video is about. Misleading titles may get you a few extra clicks, but they'll also lead to higher drop-off rates, which YouTube doesn't like. Stick to the truth, but make it exciting. On to thumbnails. They're the first thing viewers see when they come across your video in search results or their feed. Think of your thumbnail as the cover of your book. It should be high quality, visually appealing, and most importantly, it should capture the essence of your video in a single frame. Lastly, let's talk about descriptions and tags. Your description should provide a summary of your video's content, including the keywords you identified earlier. Tags, on the other hand, should include additional relevant keywords that didn't naturally fit into your title or description. Note that YouTube uses tags to understand the content and context of your video, so make sure they're accurate. All of these elements, from your keywords to your tags, contribute to your video's SEO or search engine optimization. The better your SEO, the higher your video will rank in search results, and the easier it will be for viewers to find you. Now that your video is optimized, it's time to promote it. But remember, the best promotion comes from creating great content that viewers want to share. So keep your focus on producing high-quality, engaging videos, and the views will follow. Promotion is key to getting your video in front of the right audience. Without the right kind of promotion, even the most brilliant, well-produced content might get lost in the vast sea of videos on YouTube. So let's dive into some strategies to get your video the attention it deserves. First off, consider sharing your video on various social media platforms. Each platform has its unique user base and content preferences. If your video aligns with the platform's vibe, it can gain a lot of traction. For instance, if your video is funny or trendy, it may do well on TikTok or Instagram. If it's informative or professional, LinkedIn could be the platform for it. Next, think about collaborating with other creators. This is a fantastic way to tap into their audience and bring new viewers to your content. It's a win-win situation. You get to reach a wider audience, and your collaborator gets fresh content for their platform. This strategy works best when you collaborate with creators who share similar audience interests. Another effective strategy is leveraging your email lists. If you've been building an email list, it can be a powerful tool to promote your new video. Send an engaging email with a link to your video. Make sure to include a compelling subject line and a sneak peek of what the video is about to pique your subscribers' interest. Timing is also crucial in releasing your video. Consider your audience's time zone, their online activity patterns, and any big events or holidays. Releasing your video at the right time can significantly boost its initial views and engagement. Promotion is the final step in creating a viral video. But remember, going viral is not an exact science, and it often involves a bit of luck. So don't get discouraged if your first few attempts don't skyrocket. Keep creating, keep promoting, and with time and persistence, you might just hit that viral sweet spot. After all, every successful content creator started from zero. Let's quickly recap everything we've covered. To make a viral video, you need an original, engaging idea that resonates with your audience. After crafting your content, it's all about optimization. Make YouTube's algorithm your best friend. And don't forget, promotion is key, so share your video far and wide. Remember, it's a combination of these elements that leads to success. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to creating a viral video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.